buttonhole foot. We're going to go ahead and install the buttonhole foot on this brother machine. It is an LX2763. Show you how to install one of these guys. First thing you want to do is size it here, so you put your button right in here. Lift up your foot, snap it into place. Your thread through that hole there. Change your settings. Go to, now this really is something that you have to check on. You can go to the satin stitch, which is what the F is. Anywhere between here, the 1 and the F usually works. If it's a thicker fabric or multiples, go towards the 1. If it's less, go towards the F, which is the satin stitch. Put your dial to your buttonhole, which would be 1 on mine. And then change your needle position to a 5. Okay, so you're going to want to start at the mark that is closest to you, and then it's going to go back and then around. So mark that's closest, and you want to pull down this lever back here. This lever, you want to pull that down and then gently push it back. And there's your buttonhole. You just have to slice that with a seam ripper and you can get your button through. Seam ripper. I guess a trick that some people use is you take your pin and you insert it here so that you won't break the threads when you use your seam ripper. You can do it on the opposite side as well. And here we go. And then test the fit. Ugh. Yeah, we're gonna have to slice that open a little more. That should be plenty. Well, thank you for watching.